Let me share a game-changing technique for academic productivity and something that works especially well to overcome procrastination. The 45-15 Deep Work Protocol, where you work in a focused 45-minute session and then followed by a 15-minute reflection and recalibration period. So during the intensive 45-minute periods, you immerse yourself completely into your research with zero distractions. Then you use the 15-minute intervals to document key insights, update your to-do list, identify the next critical question, challenge, or just take a break. I prefer 90-minute blocks, followed by 30-minute breaks. Setting a predetermined rhythm maintains your focus while creating a natural integration points for new discoveries to influence your priorities. Try this tomorrow with your most challenging research task and see how it changes how you focus and what you output. Have you experimented with this time blocking technique for your academic work?